Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Anil, and you are watching Phone and Car Nation. This is my YouTube channel where I'm going to bring exciting videos about cars, new cars which are getting launched, and phones, accessories, and gadget. This is my first video, and you guys must have seen a lot of videos on YouTube. However, I am keeping a natural. And the first phone which is out of the closet is nothing but Samsung Z Flip. And friends, I have been using this phone for last 5 6 months. It is a head turner. Every time I take lift or walk around in my office, people turn and say, "What phone is this?" And this is what this phone is. This is Samsung Z Flip phone. They have done a wonderful job when it comes to technology of a foldable phone. This is going to be a short video because I'm sure you must have seen the specifications, features, and a lot. But what I'm going to tell you, what I'm going to share with you is my 8 months of experience. Friends, I bought this phone for 1.10, 1 lakh 10,000 rupees, but every single penny of it is worth using. Okay, so keep watching the video because I am here only showing the form factor. Palak, the form factor of the phone. Okay, sorry, I was holding it upside down. So, gentlemen, this is how the foldable looks like. This is already booted. I am using it. Okay, seems like some problem. All right, look at the screen. This is AMOLED. कौन सी वाली स्क्रीन है ये AMOLED की? All right, so I will get back. As I said, I'm going to make another technical video about it. I wanted to create a story. This is the movie. My daughter Palak is standing there and making all sorts of faces to distract me, but nevertheless, okay. So this is Samsung Z Flip. See, if when I fold, it folds like a paper. And Samsung have said that you can fold it for more than 5 lakh time. It is tested in a controlled environment. But yes, I am. This is my daily device. I'm using it, and I do a fold of about 20 to 30 times in a day, and it is not giving me any problem at all. All right. So I am ending the video with a flip. Z Flip, which is going to be there in your pocket. Keep watching my YouTube channel for details around Z Flip. If you have any questions, there is a description. Palak, do you want to say something? Okay, no. There is a description in the video down below. Click on that, write an email, and I will get back to you. Take care. Shabak khair. Remember that जब तक दवाई नहीं तब तक ढिलाई नहीं. So ensure that the virus stays back. Shabak khair. Bye.